hello, darling. How are you? Mwah, mwah. Oh, yes, I just got back from the most fabulous trip to the Sahara Desert. I took the buggy out on the dunes. Oh, but speaking of the desert, my skin is feeling so dry. Well, I'm trying to hydrate my skin, and I just can't seem to decide which Skinfix product to hydrate with. On one hand, we have the peptide cream, and I also have here the restoring gel cream. Well, just like the two men I dated in uni, why not try both? So, the cream. This replenishes depleted lipids. Very much like your mother will replenish your father's depleted pockets. But you didn't hear it from me. This also leaves your skin dewy and radiant. Oh, so me in a tub. Not a bad idea. And then we have the gel. Now this one feels a lot lighter. Now the gel is good for pores. Not that I have any. This also leaves your skin cool, soothed and balanced. A lot like I was after divorcing my third husband and taking a soul-searching trip to Bali. But I must say I do love how much they both support the skin's barrier. Much like your mother supports your father financially. But alas, my name's not Judy. I'm not one to judge.